Hi everyone, another series recommendation here, and today we are recommending High Potential. This is an ABC series and you can watch this on Hulu. So, we're going to give you 3 reasons why we should watch this. For the third reason, it's genre. It has the genre of comedy and crime. So those of you like me who is interested and loved crime series, those who are solving mystery crimes and murders, you love this. But at the same time, it's not that dark kasi may mga series na crime series that are so gruesome and sometimes alam mo ayaw mo nang lumabas ng bahay kasi sobrang dark sa labas ng reality na may mga nangyayari palang ganun. This one it has a mix of comedy, so it's very light lang. So, may enjoy mo siya. Pwede siyang mapanood mo pagkatapos ng work or pagkatapos mo mag-aral kung stress na stress ka. Maganda siyang panoorin. Kaso mag-iisip ka din. So, kung gusto mong only isip, panoorin mo to. Second reason, mapapasolve ka. Kasi hindi siya yung ordinaryong, sabihin mo, fingerprints or like mga CSI or NCIS type. Hindi siya yung mga ordinaryong ganyan eh. Kasi may mga scenarios na every little details, kailangan mong manotice. Kasi at yun lang yung nanonotice niya, ni ate girl sa taas. Yung mga little details na mga nakakaligtaan ng mga investigators. So you love that. For the first reason, you learn new things. Kasi, may mga alam si ate girl, kasi nga super smart siya, may mga alam siya na nakatulong sa investigation. At the same time, in reality, meron palang ganung facts. Yeah. So, matututo ka, di ba? So, kung gusto niyo malaman, what is it all about? It's about a cleaning lady na naglilinis lang siya tuwing gabi sa police station. Tapos, somehow, while she was cleaning, nakita niya yung board ng mga investigation team. Tapos, parang siguro inanalyze niya kasi sa sobrang talino niya, inanalyze niya, parang mali, parang ganun. Parang may something wrong. So, inedit-edit niya, kinonect-connect niya. Tapos, the next day, nung dumating yung mga investigators, syempre, nakita nila, hindi ko to gawain, mali to. So, tinignan nila yung CCTV, siya yung nakita na nag-tamper na to. Pina-explain siya, in-explain niya, na-solve nila yung crime. Ganun yung plot. So, kung gusto nyo mapanood siya, panoorin nyo na. This is on Hulu, guys. So, watch it.